So guys, today we're gonna talk about the Wi-Fi hacking. So this lesson is purely based on the network you have connected your device before, but you're not part of that network anymore. But what happens? Your computer store those credential in the system, so you can see that password and you can see that network you have connected before. Okay, let's start with that. Okay, go into the command prompt, into the command prompt, run as a administrator. When you are in the administrator, the command we're gonna put is net show wireless LAN show profiles. You will see and you will be surprised. Uh, you will see in front of you the profile you have connected with. So if I give the big screen, that'll be easier for you guys. So if you see, if you're doing on your computer, on your Windows computer, I'm using a Windows 10. If you doing on your Windows 10 machine, your laptop, and the laptop you take out and connect with a different network, all the publics and private, you will see all the networks are listed here, which is really a good thing to know what was the password that time. And if you gone out and your friend entered the password and did not given you the password, he entered by himself, well, you can find that out what is the password, and that will be in the clear text. So I have created here a couple of different networks, and with my home router, and I connected with them. I left the networks, and I connected the another network. I left that one just to show you how you can see the password clearly. Okay, so let's do that. So the command we typed before was, you can see here, it was a net net show VLAN show profiles. So over here we're gonna do the command again, space, and the name of the wireless network you wanna scan. So I just wanna see over here. So it's a cyber testing. If you right click it, it will appear over here. Give space. So exactly same cyber testing. Just copied from here. Happy, or you can type up um, space and then you put key equal clear and you press enter. And this is the command we entered, guys. This is the command we entered, and under the security setting you will see the key content over here. Yeah, that's the password. That's the password. Well, the network I created before was the cyber testing, and I given the password cyber12345, and that's the password shown in the clear text. Okay, let's try one more time with the different networks. So the other network we have, let's retype the command again so we'll see. Okay, so another network is test on Wi-Fi here, so let's do that. If I take this off, okay, um, and I this one test no Wi-Fi here, yeah, happy, and let's press enter, and this is the command we put it in, and under the security setting, and this is the password test me 12345. All right, so really interesting. If you are doing on your home laptop, you never taken out, trust me, do this command and you will be surprised your password is out there. Okay, right guys, thank you very much. Thanks for watching. Keep subscribing my channel. I don't have many subscribers, so if you do that, that would be really appreciated. Like, comment, share, ask me any question you have. The next one will be the Wi-Fi hacking, public Wi-Fi hacking on the Kali Linux. Thank you very much, guys. Thanks a lot. Bye.